All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday idiom. So a foregone conclusion. So something you are sure will happen. I'm sure it will happen before it has even happened. So I know that it will be open. I know the gym will be open. Yeah, it is a foregone. It is a foregone conclusion. Yeah, I know it's going to happen already. I know it is going to happen already. Yeah, that is a foregone conclusion. What he is talking about is a foregone conclusion. The conclusion has already been made. Has already been made. Yes, already been made. We know what's going to happen. Yeah. So why bother? Why bother read about it? Because I know what is going to happen. It is a foregone conclusion. I know. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So then, the report thinks that it is a foregone conclusion. So they didn't do it. It thinks it's a foregone conclusion. So they're confident they know the future. It thinks it is a foregone conclusion. So I am sure I know the future. It thinks it's a foregone conclusion. So therefore, I'm confident I know the future. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, sometimes he has a foregone conclusion, but he's not always right. Yeah, sometimes he is wrong, but see, sometimes he is wrong, but other times he is right. When he is right, it is often a foregone conclusion. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Now, I can see the future, so I can easily make a lot of foregone conclusions because I know what will happen. How cool is that? Yeah. So he makes a lot of foregone conclusions. How accurate is he? How accurate is he? How cool is that? So, a foregone conclusion. So, can you use a foregone conclusion in a sentence? Yeah. Comment below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, and by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.